Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how you can put the borders to our page. Most of the time people they write a letter or something else, but they don't know how to put the border. And the border sometimes it makes our document look very good. So here I'm going to show you the step you can add if you want to put the border to your document. So, for those who are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe, share, and make comments. So, we start. If you have a document like this one and you want to put the border on it, it is very simple. If you want, if you follow those steps I'm going to show you, it will be a good design for the document. It's just very simple steps to follow. First of all, you have to come to design. After pressing design, you just come here to border the page. Here we have different types of bordering. Here there's none, means there's no bordering. Here there's the bordering as a box. Here there's a bordering as a shadow. Here there's 3D border. Here there's custom. If you press to custom, they can give you different size as the border as you want. Here there's the color. Here the color, any border you want, you have to choose its color. Let me choose like example, it is yellow, I choose. Here there is also the width of that, if you want to put, or the size of that border as you wish. Then after, you can press apply. When you press apply, you can see if our document it is bordering. This bordering color is not visible. Let me take the black box.